In this module, we'll be creating automated browser tests for our application, commonly known as end-to-end tests. While unit testing allows us to see if individual functions or components are working as we want, end-to-end testing tells us if the whole application is working as we want. To perform this kind of testing, we instruct the browser via APIs to interact with our application like a real human user would, by clicking buttons, filling out forms, etc., and then making assertions about the page state. The testing framework we'll be using for our end-to-end tests is called Nightwatch.js. Nightwatch is a Node.js-based browser automation test framework. We can add Nightwatch to our project as a Vue CLI 3 plugin. We'll begin this module by creating basic configuration for Nightwatch to work in our project and in the Vagrant environment, and learn how to run Nightwatch tests in a headless Chrome browser. Next, we'll discuss what aspects of our application we should create end-to-end tests for, and how to design effective tests. We'll then set up some tests and learn how the Nightwatch API can be used to control the browser, set up assertions, and check the application state. Unlike unit testing, end-to-end tests test your app in production mode with a running server and database. We'll see how to set up and tear down a server instance and database using Nightwatch hooks. To make your test code more readable, Nightwatch allows you to create custom entities called page objects to represent the structure and elements of your site. We'll learn how page objects allow us to write more logical test code and make it easier to reuse frequently accessed elements. Finally, we'll look at how to create page commands and custom commands, which allow you to extend Nightwatch and abstract logic from tests into custom API methods, again making our test code more readable and reusable. Let's get started.